And it's Albert here, ClickFunnels Support. So I just wanted to make this video for you, going over their shipping. So as long as you have your shipping element here like this in your form somewhere, once you collect that information, let's go over to your funnel now. So say here's your funnel. They've made their order, and then they've already opted in. They've gone through your process. They've gotten your confirmation, and now you want to ship them a product. You go to your contacts here, okay? So I see you tested it here. You're going to go ahead and click on that. All right, it's going to bring you to this area, and you're going to go to the general info, okay? And this is where you're going to see that, okay? So you see the address right here. All right. So any of the customer's information, once they go through the funnel, is going to be processed here in your funnel. The purchase itself is what is processed through Stripe, okay? Stripe is going to process and maintain and keep the information of the card, right? The actual purchase information, right? So the credit card number, all of that stuff, that's what Stripe does. That keeps that and then gives you a receipt for that, okay, in the email. But everything else is here in your funnel, okay? All right, so I hope that answers your question. And that is it. Don't forget, here, let me just go over this one more thing here. I didn't check yet. We do have software. Let me go here and go into the products and see what you got here. You probably already have it set up right here in the shipping. So this is also an option, okay? So you do have an option here. You can set up something like this, okay? If you haven't already, I would look into our shipping products, all right, our shipping software that we associate with, okay? All right, and see if that's something that's interesting, that interests you, okay? All right, that's all. And if you have any more questions, go ahead and let me know, okay? Thanks.